Hey guys, what's going on? It's the digital tutor here, and in today's video I'm just going to show you step by step how you can go ahead and delete your Netflix watch history. So if you're new to the channel and if you're looking for more tips, tricks, how-tos and step-by-step tutorials for anything tech or digital related, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. So let's get straight into it. What we're going to do first of all is go ahead and open up our internet. And the first thing we want to do is come across to netflix.com. And we're just going to go ahead and sign into our account. That's us in.
Hey you guys, I know a scary story.
So you can see, here we go. So this is obviously my watching history up here. I don't actually watch half these are actually my videos. What we're going to do then to delete this from our history is come across to the top right hand corner where your profile is. And on the drop down, if you scroll down, you'll see account. Go ahead and give that a click. So now on the account page, what you need to do is just scroll down and find the profile that you're looking to delete the watch history from. So I'm just going to go onto mine for this example. I'm going to click the arrow next to it. If we come down a bit, you'll see one of the options here, 1, 2, 3, the fourth one down I think, which says viewing activity. And to the right of that you'll see a button here, view. Go ahead and give that a click. And this is actually going to list my entire watch history. And to delete something from here, what we need to do is come across and click next to the episode that we want to delete from the watch history or the movie. We want to click this icon here which says hide from viewing history, and that's going to hide it. So if it's a TV series, you'll have the option when you click to hide the series, which means it's going to hide all these series here. See, you can go ahead and click that to hide the series. Obviously if it's a movie or something along those lines, it's just going to hide it when you click that button. And what it's going to say is within 24 hours the episode will no longer appear in the Netflix service as the title you have watched and will no longer be used to make recommendations to you unless you watch it again. So this is really handy as well in terms of recommendations. If you wanted to reset what's being recommended to you from Netflix, you can go ahead and delete some of these from your history. As it says, it doesn't always happen straight away. Sometimes it can happen within 24 hours, but if you keep an eye on your watch history, it will eventually disappear. So I hope you found that helpful. If you could drop a like on the video if that did help, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials.